Oh shit, you ran over a fucking spark plug. God damn, I can see that bitch right here. Yeah, that's a new tire, brother.
Yeah?
Hell yeah. Hey, man, I don't know what the hell you ran over, but god damn.
Something patched up?
Fuck no. Yeah, that's bad. Have y'all ever seen a nail inside of a tire puncture? Like, I'm really wondering what that is. Like, I gotta get that off. That's all bad. Let's see what this is. Oh yeah, we gotta ask them for it. I really want to see what's inside that. That's bad. Oh shit! You ran over a fucking spark plug.
Is that what it was?
Ran over a spark plug. That is crazy. Man, I've seen people run over shit, but I haven't seen no more run over a goddamn spark plug. That's crazy as hell. And just take these for the first 50 on it.